I'm doing some work in the barn today. Um, you can probably hear it's raining out, and I'm depressed, okay? You're allowed to be. I'm gonna spin you around here and just look outside for a minute. Yeah, you guys see why I'm depressed. Yeah, so I'm just working in the barn today. Just doing dumb stuff, sweeping the floor, and I want to tidy this up because I'm not even showing you guys one. You're still looking at my ugly mug. Something's wrong with that. But this cord, I want to tidy this cord up a little bit because got this here for a heat light for when it gets cold out, because chickens need, or like actual light to produce eggs. Even though, yes, I got that LED light up there, it comes on and off with a switch. And then when you got the doors all closed, especially that one, the light's all shut out. They don't produce near as many eggs as when a heat source or a light source is in here. So that's where we come up with the heat light for the light, so that they can have light to see, to, I guess, make their insides work to lay eggs. So I'm gonna go find me a nail and a hammer, and we're gonna get this tidied up here. I'm just looking here at my nail selection. Yeah, I'm not allowed to have an opinion or do nothing around here, but I don't care. I don't care. Let's see. Got two different kind of nails. Got these nails here that are gold. I don't really know what the purpose. I guess all these are gold, actually. But then you got these here, which they're both the same length, but I'm not sure. Them ones are kind of spiraled. Them belong over there. And you got these here. I don't know. I don't know my nails that well. Maybe that's for what the box is? No, these are different stuff. These are different stuff up here. I don't know. I want to be better at this stuff, but I feel that I can't because of what I'm limited to and allowed to work with. I don't think these gold ones are what I want. I actually think these are what I want. Oh, I don't know. Heck with it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I need these. Yes, I need barn staples. Yeah, I need these. Need these. Okay, so I'm gonna take, let's see, one of these. Not that. But these seem heavier duty than this. But I don't know. Yeah, don't know. But oh well. Oh well. So I've come to the realization that I'm not gonna own nothing. Just for the fact that, you know, I'm just not. Yeah, I'm just not gonna own nothing because of where I'm at and just my current situation. There. Much better. Oh wait. There. Much better. I want to try something here. I got some limestone sand here. And I'm going to I utilize this egg basket here. Now I think that if I do this right, they should be able to eat out, they should be able to peck out of this and not let it all on the ground and tramp it all over the country and everything. Let's try it once. Oh, I got eggs on the floor already. There. Hopefully, fingers crossed is however people do it. I don't have no clue what that means. Hopefully, it's low enough to where they can just get right to it. Because with a coffee can, they were only able to get down yay far. But this is for calcium to help with the shells. So it's stuff like this here, down at this barn here, that since this is a Steinway gate, and like I said, how it's got this piece of metal here, it hits, there's a latch over there, it's a self-latching gate, so we don't need a chain. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this fence staple and go just like that into the wood. Tired of losing chains. Good grief. This is harder than it looks for a blind man. guys doing down there? I didn't tell you guys to move. I don't know. I don't know what you guys felt. Oh, it's from the vibration of the hammer. Daggone, is that wood hard? Jeez, ow. And the fact that I'm blind too don't help things any better. But at least we got a chaining device all set in place to keep the chain held.